Hello traders, in this video I will be showing you how to use support and resistance with your EMA strategy, King of Forex strategy, in order to make bigger profits and to be able to flip small account in a very short amount of time. This is King of Forex from the 1% club. Okay, so as you can see, I am on GBP dollar on 1 minute time frame. Okay, and now I'm selling. Why? Because price is above EMAs. Okay, and also I am trading from a very tough account. What do I mean by a very tough account? I mean I don't have lots of leverage. I have very low leverage, and also, but the goal is to show you that even from very small account you can make lots of money, even from this type of account, which is the toughest type of accounts. You can manage to win. You can be a winner in forex trading, because it's all about the trader and not about the account. Okay, it's not about the account, it's only about the trader. Okay, so as you can see, my margin level is 100, so I cannot sell anymore. Okay, as you can see, I cannot sell anymore. And also the goal is to show you that even with the toughest account you can still manage to win in forex trading if you have the right mindset. And it's not about the account type, it's all about the trader. So here I am, I have sold because price was above EMAs. And how to use support and resistance. As you can see, price is going up. Here you should have sold. Instead of closing on EMA 9 and the 20, you will be waiting for 200, because as you can see, EMA 200 is a support line. Okay, EMA 200 is the support line in this range. So whenever price reach there, sell, close on EMA 200. Okay, buy on EMA 200, sell on the resistance line, buy on EMA 200, sell on the resistance line, buy and sell, and buy and sell. Okay, so instead, let's say you have sold here, instead of closing on EMAs, you wait for EMA 200, since you know it's the bottom, it's the support, and use bigger volume in this case to be making bigger money in a very short amount of time. As you can see, I'm in $890, almost a very small account, and I will be making lots of money out of this. Okay, to prove for you that it's not about the account, it's all about the trader. Okay, so here I am, I have sold. Price now reached EMA 9 and the 20, but I didn't close. I'm waiting for the price to reach EMA 200, the support level. And when to quit from this range? When price breaks EMA 200, let's say here. When price is there, you were buying on EMA 200, price is there. Okay, you will close with just a slight loss after making lots of big wins. Okay, you end this with a slight loss here. Or from the above, similar, when price breaks the resistance line a little bit up, okay, you close here with a slight loss after making this huge profits. So as you can see, price now is on EMAs and I'm still not closing, and this is $6 in profits. I will be closing on EMA 200. Okay, as you can see, I'm $8 in profits and didn't close yet. $8 in profits and didn't close yet. And I wish I have more leverage to be. Of course you will have more leverage, okay, in any normal account. So you will be making lots of money when you close here on EMA 200, much bigger. Okay, so this is just to show you that it's all about the trader. So even with the toughest account, you can still manage to win in forex trading. Okay, so let's see. I will be closing on EMA 200. Let's see how price will be reaching EMA 200 very soon. As you can see, Okay, so price was up a little bit, and I'm waiting for EMA 200 in order to close my orders and profits. And I'm trading a very small account, only $890. Okay, that's it. Now price will be reaching EMA 200 after this fast uptrend. That's what I'm talking about. Now I'll be closing. Now I'll be closing, making around $10 in profits. Okay, now I'll be closing. That's what I'm talking about, you see? Okay, so that's it. I'm on $900 profits. And now what will I do? Now I'll start buying. Okay, now I am buying. Now I am buying because price will be turning up. And I will not close on EMAs 9 and 50, 9 and 20. I will be closing on the trend on the resistance line here. Okay, pay attention what I'm doing. That's how you double your account, how you double your profits. That's how you flip your account. Okay, so I won't be closing here on EMAs, but I will be closing here. Okay, on the resistance line. Okay, imagine doing this many times, and at the end, when price breaks from above or from below, you close with a little loss and you close your orders. Here you will be making big profits using easy trading style. Okay, instead of closing on EMA 9 and 20, you wait for EMA 200. You are adding actually support and resistance. Okay, because you are trading a range market and you are making big profits from a small account, so you will be flipping your account in a very short amount of time. Okay, so here we are. I have bought again, waiting for the price to reach top. You see how it works? Now I am waiting for the price to reach the top, and I have explained to you how to close it, either from above with a slight loss or from below with a slight loss. Here you should be buying, and above you should be selling on top. Okay, so here I am below EMAs. I have to buy and I've bought, but instead of closing on these EMAs, I will be closing there on the top of this range. Okay, also other markets, also euro dollar is in a range market. Okay, also USD yen, AUD dollar was in a range. Okay, and euro GBP. Okay, so GBP dollar again is up, and I'm telling you that I am trading from the toughest. You can see my margin level is 100%, so I cannot buy anymore. I have decided to trade from a very small account and tough account which has very low leverage and very high commissions, in order to show you that it's all about the trader and not about the account type. Okay, so here we are. For the people who are first time watching my channel, kindly watch my past or my previous content from the first in order to understand what I'm doing in this video, and also to follow me step by step from the first, so you can understand this video and my upcoming ones and going forward. Okay, so here we are again, waiting for GBP dollar to reach the resistance line. Okay, GBP dollar is on the support level, EMA 200, and now will be reaching the resistance line. Okay, so here we are. Price now is breaking below EMA 200. Okay, so now I will be closing with a slight loss, but I am waiting for it to reach a further down level, and if it did not, I will be waiting for the top, and I don't think price will be breaking for the moment. Okay, price is trying to break this last low, but not yet. So price is trying to break the last low, but not yet. And here, focus, pay attention how I will be closing if price reaches this or break this last low. Okay. For the moment, I'm still not closing. And if I have more margin, I could have bought here. Okay, but I wanted to trade from a very tough account with very low leverage. So here we are. As I am telling you, as I have predicted, as always, I told you that price won't be breaking the last low and I won't be closing my trades. I told you that price will be reaching the top, and that's what will be happening. Okay, that's it. Here we are. Price is going to reach the top as I have predicted. You see, market is always trying to trick you. For example, here, some people who were afraid have closed thinking that it's a breakout, but actually it's a false breakout. Trading psychology is essential to learn how to treat fear, how to treat greed, and many other things. And of course, I'll be making a video about trading psychology very soon. So here we are waiting for the price to reach the stop again and again. Price, as you can see, reached EMAs, but I'm not closing here. I am waiting for the stop. Okay. Market is moving slow at this time. Of course, we have low volume. At this time, market is slow, of course. So here we are waiting for GBP dollar to get back up. Also on euro dollar, we are still in a range market, and USD yen also, AUD dollar also, and euro GBP is in a range market. So GBP dollar is getting up as I have predicted exactly. That's what I'm talking about. Price will be reaching this top. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it to see how price will be reaching this top. That's it, price is going up. Okay, that's it, price is going up faster. Let me see if I can micro lot. It's not possible. I want to add some micro lot, but even I cannot, because I'm trading from a very tough account with very low level. Okay, perfect. What did I predict? What did I say just 1 minute ago? When price was there, I told you it's not a breakout, it's a false breakout, and the price will be returning back to reach the top. Trading psychology is essential. It's essential for your success. As you can see, price is going up much faster and I'm making much bigger profits. Okay, trading psychology is essential. If you have felt afraid here, you could have closed and now regretting, okay, thinking that it was a breakout and actually it's a false breakout. Price is going up much faster. That's another $10. Okay, that's another $10 waiting for it. Let's see, that's another $10. We are very close. That's another $10. Wait for it. We are very close. Okay, wait for it. We are very close. That's another $10 within minutes. Okay, perfect. That's a $10, okay, and much more when price reaches the top. And now when price reaches the top, I will be closing and selling again and again until price break from above or from below. I will be closing with a very small loss, okay, and with all of these winnings I'll be making a lot. Okay, that's perfect. 11, 12. Okay, now I should be closing. Now I am 13. Okay, 13. I'm closing on 13 profits. Okay, I'm closing. Perfect. I started out with 890 and now I am 920. Okay, let me sell again to show you. Okay, I'm selling again and again. Okay, I am selling again. Now I am selling in order to reach EMA 200. Okay, imagine that with just too many lots, okay, too many lots, because of this tough account, this low leverage, I am making this big amounts of money with this tough account, to show you that it's not about the account, it's only about the trader. You should develop the winner mindset in forex trading. Trading psychology is essential. Okay, I'll be making a video about trading psychology in order to show you how it really works. Okay, here we are. I have sold again and now waiting for the price to reach EMA 200. That's another $5 in profits. Okay, that's another 5, and now I am waiting. Here I am. I started with 890 and now I will be quitting at 930 almost. Okay, so within minutes I have made lots of money in proportion for this very small account. So here we are, price is going down much further and waiting for it to reach EMA 200. Okay, perfect, 7, perfect. Now I can close on EMAs and I can wait for EMA 200. Okay, now I can close on EMAs and I can wait for EMA 200. Okay, so price is on EMA 9 and 20. As you know the strategy very well, you should be closing here. But since we are using support and resistance, as you can see, the support level is EMA 200 and I will be closing here, okay, on EMA 200 in order to make much bigger profits, but I can close there. Okay, that's perfect. Wait for it to see how price will reach EMA 200. That's what I'm talking about, $7 in profits. And here we are, $7 in profits, and we are still waiting for the price to reach EMA 200. Okay, I could have closed here also. I wanted to tell you that I can close here and wait for the price to reach back up and then close and then sell again. Okay, but here it's a 50-50 risk. So actually you are winning, you are closing here instead of EMA 200 and giving yourself the opportunity that price get back up and sell again. So you will be closing on EMA 200. That's perfect. But also you are losing this distance if you closed here and the price continued till EMA 200. Okay, but it's a way also of managing your orders, because price of course don't always go up and directly down. Sometimes in range market, pay attention, price from the top go to reach EMA 9 and 20, then reach the top again, then go toward EMA 200. So you will be let's say doubling your profits in this distance from the top till EMA 9 and 20, which is perfect of course. Okay, so here we are waiting for the price to reach back EMA 200. Okay, and I told you how to close or quit this range when price breaks either from above or from below. Okay, you will quit with a very small loss, and after all of these winnings you will be making lots of money at the end of this big range. Okay, so price is going down again. Price is going down again. And with more experience, I told you that you could have closed here and sell from above again. Okay, so you will be doubling your profits. So here we are waiting for EMA 200. Of course, I'm showing you a very small market, a very slow market, and it's not a big range. I mean, the distance is not that big, and also I'm trading from a very low leverage account, so everything is tough. But I wanted this situation to show you that it's all about the trader, not about the account type, that even with the hardest situations you can still manage to win if you are a good trader. So work hard for it. Here we are again. My profits are on the way. I will be closing on EMA 200. Okay, my profits are on the way and I am waiting to close my order. As you can see, price is going up and down for the moment. That's fine. Look at the volume, how low it is. At this time, volume is very low, of course. Okay, perfect. Price is going down. That's what we want. Perfect. Price will be reaching EMA 200 very soon. Okay, that's another $10 on the way. That's another $10 on its way. Okay, another $10. Okay, so I'll be closing here, giving myself the chance that price return back up again, and I will be selling more from there and closing on EMA 200. So in this way I will be doubling my profits. Okay, since price was rejected there, of course price will be continuing toward EMA 200, but since price was rejected here, as you know, with more experience you start understanding more the market, how it works. And here, since price was rejected on this EMA level, okay, it means price may go up and then reach EMA 200. So instead of waiting for this up and return down to EMA 200, if you have experience, you close here with this little distance from EMA. Okay, so you don't win this little distance, and you give yourself the opportunity that price go up again to double your profits. Okay, so I wanted to show you how you make it, but as you can see, price continued till EMA 200. That's what we are talking about. Okay, but did not reach it yet. Perfect, that's perfect. Okay, so if you have closed in this area as I did, that's perfect. You are giving yourself the opportunity that price return back up, and here you will be doubling your profits on the EMA 200. And if you don't want to do this, you can wait for EMA 200. That's also perfect and great way of trading. Okay, so here I am. I started with 890 and here I am $930 within just 20 minutes trading in a very slow time of the market from a very actually the toughest type of accounts. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. You see, I told you need more experience in forex trading. I told you always the way I predict the market always happens. I always predict the price just minutes before, and the price always dictate my predictions. That's what I'm talking about. Now when price reaches this level, you can start selling again, and your target would be EMA 200. I told you that after this rejection, price will be getting up, and that's it. Price got up actually. Okay, and your target is always EMA 200 in this range, because EMA 200 is the support. Okay, so that's it for today. Learn it very well and start applying. Practice makes perfect. Work hard for it. Develop the winner mindset, and see you in my next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.